I basically heard about Solving about 2 months ago. I work for Amtrak, it's a national passenger transportation company. I've been there about 8 years, and I heard about them. They said this is a place where you can go get help, whether it's mental, whether it's physically, or if you have an alcohol or a drug problem. And so I heard about them approximately 2 months ago. Oh, staff was excellent. Man, from Dr. Jacob to Heidi to even Colleen, my house manager, everybody was very helpful, and I have no complaints about the staff. And the staff was perfect. You learned a lot. Debbie, the nutritionist I mentioned earlier. You learn things that you never did learn before. It's like me going to school, like starting all over again. So. Had no complaints about the staff. There's a couple staff members that had to follow the rules to the T. Certain staff members are a little bit more open-minded to some of the rules, not breaking the rules. Like on the weekends for the men's, we would go to bed at 11:30 at night versus the weeknights at 10:30. And I didn't understand that at first, but now I kind of understand. Give it patience. First 7 days is going to be very rough. You may have some negative thoughts, but let it flow. Let the routine patterns flow. You can get a lot out of it. I've got a lot out of Solving Health Center. A lot of information in my head. Diet, anger management, learning about your brain, things that I would never thought I would learn. I am 62 days clean today, thanks to Solving Health. And yes, you new people, give it patience and time. This is an excellent program, and I recommend it for anybody. I'm 52 years old, and I wish I can have this opportunity when I was 25. So, those of you that are looking that in your 20s, you got to give it this some time, because you're not going to find a job out there, especially a good paying job, unless you're clean. I made a big mistake in my life 85 days ago, and I am now going to get my job back, but you got to be clean, and this is the right place.